Welcome back to Artistic Vibe, guys. Today we are going to learn on how to turn on a vibration on your iPhone. So a lot of us put our phones on silent, not knowing how to step and change it to a vibration. So now we click settings, as you can see. So now we look for accessibility. So you click right down for accessibility. Then afterwards, we look for touch. Click on touch and scroll down and turn on vibration when it's off. Yes, you turn on vibration when it's off. Now you go back to the main menu, click on sounds and haptics, then click on default mode, click on haptics. Now choose your standard haptic, anyone you want. You can try all the ones that can suit you, all of them. You have a lot of them that you can try the ones that you want. So guys, please, if you are following this video, please like, share, subscribe. It will mean a lot to us. So we are going to try this all out. So whilst watching this, you can be trying it out. So we're going to try all out. There's another we can create our own vibration. That's the good news. We can create our own vibration. So those of you guys who have chosen, as you can see, you are selecting which one is good. If you have selected and you don't like any of them, you can just create your own vibration by just clicking down below. You see the so create your own vibration. So we are now creating our own vibration. You can create any vibration you want. Afterwards, you add the name that you want to the vibration. You can choose any name that you want to add to your vibration, as far as you can remember it. So here we choose my vibration, so that I know I use my phone myself. So now, after, you can go back to default mode if you don't want it. Maybe you don't want the vibration you created, you're just trying to figure out something. You can just always go back and put it on default haptics. So guys, we are done here. I think we've taught how to turn on vibration and all of that, then create your own vibration. So this is just a video on how to do all of those things. Please subscribe for more.